What are adjectives? An adjective is a word that we use to describe a noun. Let's look at a different example. Technology moves fast. The relevant things of today might be irrelevant tomorrow. Now, let's look at something we call a prefix. We add a prefix to the start of a word to change its form. In this sentence, we can see the adjective relevant, which we use to describe the noun things. If something is relevant, it is important to what is happening. It is significant and related to the current situation. We can make this word into a negative adjective by using a prefix, in this case, IR. So relevant becomes irrelevant. Positive becomes negative. So that's how to use a prefix to change an adjective from a positive to a negative. Now let's look at a suffix and see what it does. Let's think of a sofa as an example. And let's start with the noun comfort. We can make this noun into an adjective by using a suffix, in this case, able. If we sit on the sofa and it feels nice, not too hard, not too soft, then we can say it is comfortable. The pronunciation is comfortable. The suffix able means that it is able to do something. In this case, the sofa is able to give us comfort, so it is comfortable. But what if the sofa is bad? What if it's too hard or too soft? We say it is uncomfortable. Here we have added a prefix as well as a suffix. So the suffix takes a noun and turns it into an adjective, and the prefix takes an adjective and turns it into the opposite. Uncomfortable is a negative adjective which we can use to describe the bad sofa. Let's look at some more examples. I hope our community event is going to be successful. We can take the noun success and make it into an adjective by using the suffix full. Remember, full only has one L when it is a suffix. Do not use full with two L's. But what if the event doesn't go very well? Then we can say it was unsuccessful. We can use the prefix un to make it negative. It's exciting to develop new solutions and push the limits of possibility. This time, our adjective is exciting. Let's begin with the verb excite. If we want to change it into an adjective, we can use the suffix ing. There are many adjectives that end with this suffix. Prefixes go at the start and suffixes go at the end. Think about your sentences and the adjectives you need. Are they positive or negative? And remember, spelling can be difficult, so be careful. If you want to be successful with your English, try some more exciting adjectives.